how to use bold text on LinkedIn. In this video, I'm going to show you how to type in bold on your LinkedIn post. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. And this method will work on any device, including your phone, MacBook, Windows computer, anything. I'll show you how to use bold on LinkedIn. So to get started, all we need to do is open up a new window and navigate to texttrick.com. So in this box here, type the text that you want to be bold on LinkedIn. Then you can scroll down and you'll see not only bold text that you can use on LinkedIn, but also different styles and fonts of text that all work on LinkedIn. So all I have to do once I find a bold or other font that I want to use on LinkedIn is select copy, go back to LinkedIn, and I'll go ahead and create a new post. Go ahead and paste that text that we copied from texttrick.com. And then when you select post, I can view the post. And there you go. I now have my bold cursive text on LinkedIn. And this also works in comments as well, as you can see right there. That's how you type in bold text on LinkedIn. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.